When you first open a new, blank workbook by clicking the blank workbook thumbnail in the home screen, Excel opens a single worksheet in a new workbook file with the generic file name, Book 1, inside a program window such as the one shown. The Excel program window is made up of the following components: File menu button. When clicked, Excel opens the Backstage view, which contains a bunch of file-related commands: Home, New, Open, Save, Save as or save a copy, Print, Share, Export, Publish, Close. You also see Account, which gives you information and tasks related to your Microsoft account, as well as Options, which enables you to change Excel's default settings. Ribbon. Most Excel commands are contained on the ribbon. They're arranged into a series of tabs ranging from Home through Help. Formula bar. This displays the address of the active cell along with the contents of that cell. You can also use it to enter and edit cell data and formulas. Worksheet. This is your Excel work area, which consists of a series of columns, identified by the letters along the top, A, B, C, and so on, and a series of rows, identified by the numbers running down the left, 1, 2, 3, and so on. The intersection of each column and row is called a cell, and you enter your Excel data and formulas into these cells. You also see a tab for each worksheet, although the default new workbook comes with just one worksheet. You use a horizontal scroll bar on the bottom to move left and right through the sheet, and a vertical scroll bar on the right edge to move up and down through the sheet. Status bar. This bar keeps you informed of the program's current mode and any special keys you engage, and it enables you to select a new worksheet view and to zoom in and out on the worksheet.